So, Scarlett, what is frustrating you about your content creation journey?
I feel like I'm just like shouting into the void. You know, I post my dance videos with my nunchucks, and it's like I get good numbers, but I just want to like press to the next level. You know, like I see people blowing up overnight, and I just like how do I do that? You know?
Oh, so what's holding you back then?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just trying to be too perfect. You know, doing every trend, doing this, whatever.
Scarlett, content creation is just like a Bruce Lee movie. You can't just waltz in and expect to get to the final boss without getting through those other layers of levels. The perfectionism, the self-doubt, all the noise. You gotta fight through that first.
You can't post that. The lighting's all wrong.
Wait. You gotta do the latest dance track.
Hey, Scarlett, what's up?
Trendy Tony?
Hi.
What are you doing here?
You know, hitting all the trendy dance
Dude, this
moves.
isn't Fortnite.
What?
Your engagement rate dropped. Like you, your views are going down.
Oh yeah.
You have to post 5 times a day or you'll fail.
The comments say you're not good enough.
You don't deserve success.
You wouldn't.
Oh, I would.
You think your little nunchuck videos matter? I'm every creator who's better than you.
Bring on the competition. I was made for this.
Scarlett, are you okay?
Oh yeah, Mr. Best. I'm better than okay. No more Mr. Noise.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the confidence we need. Now go get it.